Okay, guys, late afternoon, Friday, 6 o'clock in UK. So, Ripple, okay, very nicely. We've got our A, 1, 2, 3 up, and then B, so our C wave is down. So, we've got 1, 2, 3 down. So, a nice little channel and my little blue box down at the bottom. Okay, so now this is hit our 145 zone exactly. Okay, exactly with a few pips down there, and it sort of made a strong move up. So to expect now, looking at this and this channel, I really think the XRP or Ripple correction is done for now. It's quite a sharp move up. So this actually overrides all these losses down here. And then all you need to do now is watch for the small correction down here. It might take some days or up until tomorrow. Once it finishes that, it will continue on the upside. I have no worries whatsoever that this will come down below our last lows. So at the moment, this is looking very impulsive. Going to do correction now and carry on up. Okay, so do not worry. If you're in this trade, just hold on. If you want to be safe, you can put your stop at the last low because impulsive move like that means it's going to go up, do a small correction down, and then carry on up again. Okay, let's look at quickly Litecoin. Litecoin, I have no idea what happened here. So it hit our 300 target, or just under 300 target here, started coming down, which I expected anyway. So nothing new here, but for some reason, it just for all other cryptocurrencies are not doing this. So this thing just shot up like crazy. So now sitting at 314, 315. So obviously there must be some fundamental news that's just been announced, which I haven't seen. So okay, so that's what Litecoin's doing. So I can't trade this now because there's no technical analysis for me to follow this. Ethereum, again, like I said before, we got out nicely at the zone. Well, that zone there. Went up a little higher and then started correction. So now I'm waiting for this to go 1, 2, 3, 4 B, probably C down to this channel before it goes up. Okay, so that's your correction on Ethereum. So Ethereum will probably reach 2,250, maybe 2,200, 2,200 before it carries on again. Hopefully it'll carry on up again, but yeah, for now we're out of it, so it doesn't matter. Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin done exactly what the wave is supposed to do. So it's doing this impulsive A, got our B perfectly, and now we've got our C down here. So A, B, C to the pip in my channel, nothing has changed. Then look at my blue box. My blue box is probably, oh, it just touched my blue box. So if you're a Fibonacci trader, you have reached a 50% retracement. If you're waiting for 618 down there, you're not going to make it, so it missed out. So sometimes it goes like this, and it goes and goes a little bit more, 618, and breaks through it and goes up. Today it said, no, I'm going to 50%, and that's it. So right now I'm waiting for Bitcoin to do this, a bit more of that, down to this level again, which is the, what is that? 61,000 some change. So we'll go up to there, coming up there. That's wave 1. So we should have a big wave 3 and then 4, 5. So Bitcoin should go up from there. Okay, good luck. So my friends are in the Ripple. Just looking back at this quickly, this is only 5 minutes past 6 now. So yes, it's gonna do this. So just expect this to go like this, and then up again. So don't worry, just hold on. Good luck.